Welcome to Fogata Bots, the most advanced and easiest digital platform. Let's learn how to set up your chatbot account profile. It only takes a couple of seconds to edit or update anything you need. First, go to the top right corner of the system and click in Profile. Now click in Edit Profile. In this section, you can edit or update any information related to your account. Edit or update your avatar or profile picture. Update your username. Change your name. Update your email. Edit or update any information about your location, country, city, or address. Also, make sure to set the time zone of your city to visualize any interaction in the platform. Finally, don't forget to click on the button Update to save all the settings.